Hello students, a warm welcome to you all. We are on the topic reactions in solutions, and in this video we will see second concentration term, that is the mole fraction. The topic is mole fraction. So mole fraction is defined as the ratio of number of moles of a particular component to the total number of moles of the solution. Let us take a binary solution in which there are two components, component A and component B. Component A is our solute and component B is our solvent. Now, number of moles of A is given by Na and number of moles of B is given by Nb. So, if we want to find out mole fraction of A, it will be equal to, it is given by Xa and will be equal to number of moles of a particular component. So a component is A. So number of moles of component A is given by Na divided by total number of moles of the solution. So there are two components in the solution and the number of moles are Na and Nb. So it will be Na plus Nb. And if we want to find out mole fraction of component B, that is given by Xb, and it will be equal to number of moles of B divided by number of moles of Na plus Nb, that is the total number of moles. We have to remember that the sum of the mole fraction of all the components in a solution is always equal to 1, as it is shown here. Okay, now we had just considered two components, so I am taking that only, that is Xa plus Xb, which will be equal to Na upon Na plus Nb plus Nb upon Na plus Nb, and the sum of the mole fraction of all the components in the solution is equal to 1. Thus, if the mole fraction of one component of a binary solution is known, then the other can be calculated. For example, the mole fraction of Xa is related to Xb as Xa is equal to 1 minus Xb, or it will be Xb is equal to 1 minus Xa. You have to note that the mole fraction is independent of temperature. Now let's solve one numerical on mole fraction. Numerical 1. A solution is prepared by adding 60 gram of methyl alcohol, molar mass is given as 32 gram, to 120 gram of water, molar mass is 18. Calculate the mole fraction of methanol and water. So here there are two components. Component A is a methyl alcohol and component B is a water. Okay, let us write what is given to us. Mass of methanol is given to us, that is 60 gram, and mass of water is given to us, that is 120 gram. Now for calculation of mole fraction, number of moles are required. So number of moles of methyl alcohol, we can write it as N of CH3OH, which will be equal to mass divided by the molar mass. So what is the mass of methanol? It is 60 divided by the molar mass is given as 32. So which comes to 1.875 mole. Second one is number of moles of water. It is given by N of H2O. Mass divided by the molar mass. Mass of water is given as 120 upon molar mass is 80, which gives us 6.667 mole. So let us calculate total number of moles, that is equal to Na plus Nb. Our Na is 1.875 mole plus 6.667 mole, which gives us 8.542 moles. Okay, so here we got the number of moles of A, number of moles of B, and total number of moles. So let us find out the mole fraction of first one, that is methanol. So it is X of CH3OH, which is equal to number of moles of CH3OH plus total number of moles, that is N of CH3OH plus N of H2O, which gives us, this is 1.875 upon total number of moles, that is 8.542. So here it is giving us the answer 0.220. And the next one, that is mole fraction of water, will be equal to X of H2O will be equal to N of H2O upon total number of mole, that is N of CH3OH plus N of H2O, which is equal to water, moles of water is equal to 6.667 divided by total number of moles 8.542, which gives us answer 0.780. So here we got the mole fraction of methanol as 0.220 and mole fraction of water as 0.780. Remember students, the mole fraction will not have any units. Thank you.